Hey, Bobby, have we got a sarsaparilla in the fridge, a coldie? Oh, g'day, there's a viewer. Welcome to episode 17. This week we're in Cairns. Because we did so much in Cairns, we've broken it into 2 episodes. This episode, we're going up to Crystal Cascades, and then we're off to the Great Barrier Reef. And Bobby gets in the water and has a snorkel. Unreal. Let's get cracking. This morning we're heading to Crystal Cascades, just outside of Cairns, to do some sightseeing. And this afternoon we've got our vehicle booked in to get some new tyres. We are staying at Green Patch Campground, which is in Gordonvale, about 20 kilometres just south of Cairns. It's a free campsite and it's really good. It has hot showers, but they're coin operated. If you're ever in Cairns and if you don't mind travelling like 20 minutes out of Cairns, it's a great place to stay. Alright, so we've arrived at Crystal Cascades. So there's about a 1.2 kilometre walk. Alright, so we've come to the end of the walk. This is the top pool, I guess, in the main waterfall. We are now heading towards Copperlod Dam. On our way we find a lookout which overlooks Cairns, and then we head back down to Cairns for the tyre appointment in the afternoon. That evening we headed back down to our campsite with new tyres and a joiner to fix our leaky pipe. We're in Cairns. We're not in Tins, we're in a place called Cairns. And we're on a Sunlover boat going out to the reef for the day. Should be a good day. Here's Bobby enjoying more coffee.
My selfie stick not working. I'm so upset.
Bobby dropped her phone and selfie stick, and now the selfie stick's beyond economical repair. So we'll have to get a new one. We are heading out to Moore Reef and hopefully we'll do some snorkelling. When it comes to swimming, Bobby really lacks confidence, and I'm hoping that she'll get out in the water and enjoy a snorkel around the reef. We recently bought a new mask which combines a snorkel, so I'm hoping this will help with her confidence. This is them right now. Wait and see. If you look close, oh, look at that one there. The Richmond fish. There's another one. There's a Richmond fish. Tiger fish. Now we're getting ready to go in the water for a snorkel. Here she goes. was a great day out in the reef, and we make our way back to our campsite in Gordon Vale. We hope you're enjoying Cairns, and will join us in our next episode when we continue our journey in Cairns. We visit the northern beaches and travel on the Savannah Lander. Please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. Until next week, we'll see you then. Bye. In this episode, you'll see us on the reef, and also we find this fascinating little waterfall. It's fantastic. Let's get crapping. All right, we can put that.